The Toronto Stock Exchange was formed for a group of businessmen from the same city, called the Association of Brokers. On October 25 of 1861, 24 of the brokers of this association agreed in the Masonic Hall to create the Toronto Stock Exchange. Although they initially suffered from the failure of many Upper Canadian banks in 1870, a bull market boosted investor confidence, and 8 of the initial 24 brokers banded together to once again restore the Toronto Stock Exchange. In 2002, the Toronto Stock Exchange changed the name to TSX Toronto Stock Exchange and become a public company. The Toronto Stock Exchange has 1,569 licensed issuers, including the ETFs and other types of structured finance products. It has a market capitalization of 3,755,023,680 dollars. It's one of the 10 largest stock exchanges in the world. The Toronto Stock Exchange features the exchange of several of the largest energy companies such as Suncor Energy, Cameco, Encana, Husky Energy, Canadian Natural Resources, Imperial Oil, and Netsen, among 40 other major companies in the sector. Apart from banking and energy and natural resource company, another sector that stands of the being listed of the Toronto Stock Exchange is the cannabis companies. Apart from the banking and the energy and the natural resource companies, another sector that stands out from being listed of the Toronto Stock Exchange is the cannabis companies. Since the marijuana legislation was opened in the country, several companies started trading on the TSX. The Canadian dollar is the currency of Canada. It's abbreviated with the dollar SING. The exchange rate in November 6 of 2022, €1 is an equal and 134.93 Canadian dollars. The exchange rate in November 6 of 2022, €1 is 1.3493 Canadian dollars. 1 USD is an equal and 1.3497 Canadian dollar, with a market capitalization of 5.9 billion of Canadian dollars.